that was a step file. So now we see that we will check the unfolding to see if it is okay. We see that in this corner, it's not optimum. It's not optimum because it's not limited to the rectangle. So we will rework this model. One more time, it was a step file, no problem. We will rework, we will change this junction, we will convert, we switch to bend, and we will split at this point to get to make it unfoldable. The same here. We'll split, and now the result in unfolding is better, more accurate. So now, because this is more accurate, if we examine the assembly, we see that we can replace, to reduce cost, we can replace two parts by one. The little one here is not necessary. So we'll remove, come back to the panel, and then we will parameterize. Automatically, despite this is a step file, it is parameterized. And we can change the width very easily. We can change the width of this panel. We just have to insert the necessary form features that was in on the little part. Okay, and then we can update the assembly. So of course, the cost is reduced because there are less, the part is simpler than two parts previously.